Plant FAQs, Hoya latifolia. Hoya latifolia, unveiling the beauty of the large leaf wax flower. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the stunning Hoya latifolia, also known as the large leaf wax flower. This beauty has captured the hearts of many plant enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its captivating foliage and fragrant blooms make it a true conversation starter in any home. But before you rush out and snag one, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this tropical wonder. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. How much sun does my Hoya latifolia need? Unlike some shade-loving houseplants, the Hoya latifolia thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window. Perfect. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light can lead to leggy growth and a reluctance to flower. How often should I hydrate my Hoya latifolia? Here's the golden rule. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Overwatering is a cardinal sin for Hoyas, as it can lead to root rot. To gauge moisture, stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Does my Hoya latifolia need fertilizer? During the active growing season, spring and summer, a monthly dose of diluted fertilizer can be beneficial. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for houseplants. However, remember, less is always more. Over-fertilization can damage the roots and hinder growth. Choosing the right container for my Hoya latifolia. A well-draining pot is crucial for your Hoya's health. Opt for terracotta or ceramic with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Size-wise, choose a pot only slightly larger than the root ball. As your Hoya matures, you can repot it into a bigger container. Does my Hoya latifolia need support? Naturally, the Hoya latifolia is a climber. To encourage growth and a bushier appearance, provide a support structure like a moss pole, trellis, or hanging basket. The aerial roots will readily attach themselves to the structure, allowing the plant to climb and sprawl. When will my Hoya latifolia flower? Mature Hoyas, with proper care, will reward you with clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers. These blooms typically appear in spring and summer and can last for up to a week. Patience is key. If your Hoya isn't flowering yet, ensure it's receiving enough light and hasn't been recently repotted. Repotting can sometimes delay flowering. Common concerns: addressing Hoya latifolia woes. Falling leaves, droopy or dropping leaves often indicate overwatering. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again. Pesty problems. Mealybugs and scale can occasionally bother your Hoya. Isolate the plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Yellowing leaves. Yellowing leaves can be caused by various factors, including underwatering, excessive sun exposure, or nutrient deficiency. Address the potential cause and adjust your care routine accordingly. Hoya latifolia versus Hoya carnosa, a tale of two Hoyas. Both Hoya latifolia and Hoya carnosa, the common wax flower, are popular houseplants. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide which might be a better fit for you. Leaves. Hoya latifolia boasts larger, showier leaves, while Hoya carnosa has smaller, oval-shaped leaves. Growth habit. Hoya latifolia is a vigorous climber, while Hoya carnosa can be grown as a climber or a bush. Light requirements. Both prefer bright, indirect light. Flowering. Both produce fragrant flowers, but Hoya latifolia's blooms are typically larger and showier. Hoya latifolia versus macrophylla. I love the lush, broad leaves of my Hoya latifolia, but the intricate patterns and slightly thicker texture of the Hoya macrophylla leaves really stand out to me. Both are gorgeous, but the macrophylla has a more striking presence in my collection. Hoya latifolia versus sarawak. Sarawak's leaves are smaller and more compact compared to the latifolia, which has these beautiful, large leaves that almost cascade down. Sarawak is more manageable in size, but latifolia steals the show with its grandeur. Hoya latifolia versus Leuciandrusina. Leuciandrusina is a bit harder to find, but its leaves have this incredible silver sheen that catches the light beautifully. Latifolia, on the other hand, has this robust growth habit that makes it a focal point wherever I place it. Both are stunning in their own ways, but Hoya Leuciandrusina has that rare allure that makes it special in my collection. The final bloom. Why choose Hoya latifolia? The Hoya latifolia is a captivating plant with undeniable charm. Its lush foliage adds a touch of the tropics to any space, and its fragrant blooms are a delightful bonus. With proper care, this easy-to-grow climber will reward you with years of beauty. So, are you ready to welcome a Hoya latifolia into your plant family?